Prime Minister Narendra Modi launched infrastructure projects worth over 17,300 crore in Tamil Nadu today. Justice A.M. Khanwilkar will be the new Lokpal of the country. President Draupadi Murmu appointed him along with 6 members. The National Testing Agency will conduct the Common University Entrance Test CUET PG 2024 from March 11 to 28 in computer-based mode throughout India and in 24 cities outside India. Centre has extended the ban on Jamaat-e-Islami Jammu Kashmir for 5 years. The outfit was first declared an unlawful association on February 28, 2019. National Science Day is being celebrated across the country today under the theme Science Day is Indigenous Technologies for Viksit Bharat.